When you apply for a regular credit card, it is easy to get denied if you have bad credit or no established credit history. Look for starter credit cards that have guaranteed approval. Usually, cards that do not perform any credit checks, and report to credit reporting agencies are the best starting points for rebuilding credit. One example of this is the Horizon Gold card. It is very easy and has fast approval process. Since it is a catalog card, you will be able to use this to purchase products from the issuer's catalog. Horizon Gold card features. The key features are fast approval process, no credit and employment check, making it ideal for people with poor or limited credit history. Unsecured card, and 0% APR. This starter credit card has a member benefit program that costs $24.95 a month, which is automatically placed on your account. Which includes, you will receive a $500 credit limit, which is a reasonable amount compared to other starter credit cards. You can get up to a 40% discount when you purchase from participating pharmacies. If you need any legal help, you will be eligible for a free 30-minute consultation with a legal professional near your area. Another benefit of this card is its roadside assistance. You are entitled to towing requests, up to 15 miles, and 3 service calls. Horizon Gold reports to one of the major credit bureaus every 30 days. This is important as it helps establish your credit history. The Horizon Gold card is a good option to look into. Get yours now at NewHorizon.Org.